right, welcome to my humble abode. This is the entrance, and you can see you put your shoes there. I put my stuff there. Come in. My favorite place, see, I need to do the laundry. There's clean clothes in there, but I just need to get them out. My favorite place is the bathroom. I love this bathtub so much. The water comes out of there. You can set the temperature there. I was in the bathtub the other day and the water got cold and I was like, oh, I want the water to be warmer. You just press a button and it recirculates hot water and replaces the cold water. There's a button for that. And then I just sit down there and do a little scrubbing. But I'm gonna do laundry today. This, you gotta see this. Oh, the refrigerator is open. Oh, okay, let me just close the refrigerator. So it has the 3 floors actually. This is what's beeping. Whew. What I was gonna show you was the toilet that has the sink on top of it. There's a tub right there. You just wash your hands right there. That is so funny to me. That's so funny to me. There was the downstairs bedroom, but there's this middle bedroom. I don't sleep down there. I was doing homework here because I wanted to be horizontal instead of at the table, but this is the living room. This is the kitchen. As you can see, those are clean. I'm just gonna put them away, but I need to go and get some eggs from the grocery store. Wanting some eggs today for breakfast, but this is the living room, dining room area. I do yoga here and I've been dancing and yeah, it's been great. That's the couch and I like the light that comes in, really nice. And then there's another floor, like all of these. And there's another bedroom. And I haven't been sleeping in here. I've been sleeping in here actually. It's just the largest room. It has the 2 beds, but it's just the largest room, and then it has that balcony. So I was like, ooh, I definitely want the balcony. So that's my mini tour. Hope you enjoyed it from my kitchen to yours.